Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some GK science questions. Okay, let us start by not wasting time. Question number 1. Refrigeration is a process which option 1 kills bacteria, slow down the bacterial growth, inactivates the bacteria, plasmalosis the bacteria. And the right answer will be refrigeration is a process which slow down the bacterial growth. Question number 2. Air coolers are most suitable for which climate? Answer. Air coolers are most suitable for hot and dry climate. Now, question number 3. A transformer is used for decrease or increase AC voltage. Why transformer is used? So transformer is used for decrease or increase AC voltage. Question number 4. Electricity is transmitted over long distances if there is less wastage of energy. Question number 5. The material used in the fabrication of a transistor is answer silicon. Electric current in a metal wire is due to the flow of answer electrons. The device which converts sound energy into electrical energy is called answer microphone. Question number 8. The light rays used for eliminating the bacteria is called answer ultraviolet radiation. Question number 9. What is the principle of a life jacket? Answer. The main principle of life jacket is it increases the volume of the person to keep him afloat. Question number 10. Myopia is same as nearsightedness. Myopia is same as answer nearsightedness. Yes, I-G-S-T-E-D and E-S. Yes. Question number 11. Sun's heat reaches by us. Answer radiation. Question number 12. An instrument used to measure humidity is called answer hygrometer. Question number 13. The velocity of sound is more in answer still. Question number 14. The magnifying power of an astronomical telescope can be decreased by increasing the focal length of the eyepiece. Question number 15. Necessary element of change in solar energy to electrical energy. Answer silicon. Question number 16. The audio signal of TVs are answer frequency modulated. Question number 17. Red light is used for signal because it has answer long wavelength. Question number 18. Woolen cloths protects the body from cold because answer It is poor conductor of heat. Question number 19. Which color of the light shows maximum deviation when passed through a prism? Answer: violet. Question number 20. Tape recorders should not be kept near one of the following things. Which? Option are clock, magnet, electrical switchboard, radio. Answer will be magnet. Now, in question number 21, which of the following is a good conductor of heat but a bad conductor of electricity? Options are celluloid, rubber, asbestos, mica. Answer will be mica. Now, question number 22. A photostat machine works on option are electromagnetic image making, electrostatic image making, magnetic image making, thermal image making. Answer will be electrostatic image making. Question number 23. Fog documents are detected by option are ultraviolet rays, infrared, beta rays, gamma rays. Answer: ultraviolet rays. Question number 24. A rainbow is seen after rain because of hanging molecule of water which act as options are lens, mirrors, prisms, slabs. Answer will be mirrors. Question number 25. Which of the following is a result of surface tension? The answer will be, the options are gravitational pull, viscosity, capillary action, radiation. Answer will be capillary action. Question number 26. Lightning is caused due to options are electric power, electric discharge, electric leak, electric pressure. Answer will be electric discharge. Question number 27. A sprayer functions on options are Bernoulli's principle, Archimedes principle, Pascal's law, flotation principle. Answer will be Bernoulli's principle. Question number 28. The devices which transfer the signal from low resistance region to high resistance region is options are diode, transistor, capacitor, inductor. Answers will be transistor. Question number 29. A bird sitting on a high tension electric wire does not get electrocuted because options are it has high resistance, the body is earth, it does not form a closed path for the flow of current, its feet are good insulators. Answer will be it does not form a closed path for the flow of current. Question number 30. Which of the following is arranged in order of decreasing conductivity? Options are copper, aluminium, steel, silver. Next, aluminium, silver, copper, steel. Next, copper, silver, aluminium, steel. Next, silver, copper, aluminium, steel. Okay. The answer will be last one, silver, copper, aluminium, steel. Now question number 31. Which of the following liquid is most viscous? Options are oil, milk, water, petrol. Answer will be oil. Now question number 32. Radioactivity is due to options are unstable nucleus, stable nucleus, stable electronic configuration, stable electronic configuration. Okay, the answer will be unstable nucleus. Question number 33. Which conservation principle is applicable in the case of the motion of a rocket? Options are conservation of mass, conservation of charge, conservation of momentum, conservation of energy. The answer will be conservation of momentum. Question number 34. The surface tension of water on adding detergent is to. Options are increase, decrease, no change, become zero. Answer will be decrease. Question number 35. In a refrigerator, the cooling system should always be. Options are at the top, at the bottom, at the middle, can be anywhere. Answer at the bottom. Question number 36. Which of the following is optical illusion? Rainbow, earth sign, halo, mirage. Answer mirage. M-I-R-A-G-E. Question number 37. An athlete runs before long jump to get advantages on. Options: inertia of motion, frictional force, moment of a force, principle of moments. Answer: inertia of motion. Question number 38. In sunlight, a rose appears red. In green light, the same rose appears. Which color? Options are red, black, green, yellow. Answer will be black. The sparkling of a diamond is due to. Options are total internal reflection of light, interference of light, polarization of light, refraction of light. Answer will be total internal reflection of light. Question number 40. Ocean currents are an example of convection, conduction, insulation, radiation. Answer: convection. Question number 41. If a copper wire is increased to double its length, its resistance will become. Options are 4 times, 1/4, double, and half. Answer will be double. Question number 42. In a diesel engine, the high temperature needed to ignite the fuel is achieved by. Options are using heat from exhaustor, the battery, compressing air in the cylinders, an electrical spark. Answer will be compressing air in the cylinders. Question number 43. Waves that are required for long distances wire communication are. Options are infrared rays, ultraviolet rays, radio waves, microwaves. Answer will be radio waves. Question number 44. Rise of oil a wick is due to. Options are density of the oil, viscosity of the oil, surface tension of the oil, and the last, pressure of the oil. Answer: surface tension of the oil. Now question number 45. The 4-stroke petrol engine is based on. Options are Carnot cycle, Otto cycle, diesel cycle, Bolli cycle. Answer: Otto cycle. Question number 46. Hydraulic brakes works on the principle of. Options are Pascal's law, Thomson's law, Newton's law, Bernoulli's theorem. Answer: Pascal's law. Question number 47. Stars in the sky appear to twinkles due to. Options are a series of refraction, a series of reflections, a surface tension phenomenon, multiple diminishing brightness. Answer will be a series of refractions. Question number 48. A pilot has to release the bomb to hit a target. Options are right above the target, beyond the target, before the target, none of these. Before the target. Answer will be before the target. Question number 49. Parabolic mirrors are used in. Options are car headings, driving mirrors, dentist mirrors, saving mirrors. Answer car headings. Question number 50. Bats can sense obstacles because they produce. Options are supersonic sound waves, ultrasonic sound waves, infrasonic sound waves, micro sound waves. Answer infrasonic sound waves. Question number 51. The sharpness of a television image is termed as its. Options are clarity, color, resolution, graphics. Answer will be resolution. Question number 52. Small balls are perfectly spherical because of. Options are gravity, pressure, viscosity, surface tension. Answer will be surface tension. Question number 53. The final image in a simple microscope is. Options are real, diminished, and inverted. Next, real, magnified, and erect. Next, virtual, magnified, and erect. Next, virtual, diminished, and erect. Answer, virtual, magnified, and erect. Question number 54. A light year is a measure of. Options are speed, velocity, distance, time. Answer will be distance. Question number 55. A device which is used to limit the current in an electronic current is called fuse. Question number 56. Hypermetropia or long sight can be corrected by using. Options are bifocal lens, cylindrical lens, concave lens, convex lens. Answer convex lens. Question number 57. Speed of sound in air is unaffected by change in. Answer pressure. Question number 58. The temperature of boiling water in a steam engine may be high because of. Answer, there is high pressure inside the boiler. Question number 59. An optically plane surface reflects a beam light. Answer, as a parallel beam in one direction. Question number 60. The slope of a velocity time graph represents. Answer, acceleration. Question number 61. The earth wire of a cable is connected to. Option are the outer metallic body of the appliance, the fuse of the appliance, the filament of the appliance, short circuit of the appliance. Answer, the fuel of the appliance. Water is used in the car radiator because of its. Options are low density, easy availability, high specific heat capacity, low boiling point. Answer, high specific heat capacity. Question number 63. Heat stored in the water vapor is. Answer, latent heat. Question number 64. The layer of the atmosphere used for radio wave transmission is. Answer, ionosphere. IONOSPHERE. Negative feedback in amplifiers. Answer, increases bandwidth and decreases noise. Question number 66. A periscope works on the principle of. Answer, total internal reflection. Question number 67. A copper disc has a hole. If the disc is heated, the size of the hole, answer, increases. Question number 68. A rear view mirror for driving is, answer, convex. Question number 69. The important unit of a microprocessor is, answer, ALU, area of registers, and CU, control unit. Question number 70. Anemometer is used to measure, answer, wind velocity. Which of the following has the highest value of a specific heat? Options are glass, copper, lead, water. Answer will be water. The device used for locating submerged object under sea is, answer, sonar, SONAR. The metal whose electrical conductivity is more is, answer, silver. Question number 74. What happens to liquid when the vapor pressure equals to the atmospheric pressure? Answer, the liquid boils. Question number 75. In nuclear reactor, heavy water is used as, answer, moderator. Question number 76. Water boils at low temperature on the hill because, answer, there is a decrease in air pressure on the hills. Question number 77. Ball pen functions on the principle of, answer, surface tension. Question number 78. A man cannot see clearly beyond 10 meters. The decrease is suffer from, a man cannot see clearly beyond 10 meters. The disease is suffer from myopia. Answer will be myopia. Question number 79. Moving electric charge produces, answer, magnetic field. Question number 80. The SI unit of electric charge is, answer, coulomb, COULOMB. Question number 81. Light beam which is highly directional is called, answer, laser. Question number 82. The best material for the core of a transformer is, answer, soft iron. Question number 83. In AC circuits, AC meters measure, answer, RMS values. Question number 84. Solar energy is due to, answer, fusion reactions. Question number 85. A body absorbs heat. Most of it is, answer, black and rough. Question number 86. Safety fuse wire used in domestic electrical appliances is made up of metal of low, answer will be melting point. Question number 87. The minimum number of geostationary satellites needed for uninterrupted global coverage is, answer, 2. Flight recorder is technically called, answer, black box. Question number 89. Which of the mirror is used in the headlights of vehicles? Answer, concave mirror. Question number 90. The height of a geostationary satellite from the Earth's surface is approximately, answer, 36,000 km. Decibel is term connected with, answer, sound. Question number 92. As we go from equator to North Pole, the value of G, the acceleration due to gravity, increases. Question number 93. Saving mirror is, answer will be concave. Question number 94. Magnifying glass is basically a, answer, convex lens. Question number 95. Water will not be vapor if, answer, the humidity is 100%. Sorry. Okay. Answer, the humidity is 100%. Question number 96. Which of the following is not a part of CRT? Options are phosphorus screen, shadow marks, electron gun, gas plasma. Answer will be gas plasma. Question number 97. The pitch of sound depends on its, answer will be frequency. Which of the following is a conductor of electricity? Answer. Sorry. First of all, again listen to the question. Which of the following is a conductor of electricity? Options are rubber, pure water, salt water, benzene. Answer will be salt water. Question number 99. The working of a rocket is based on the principle of, answer will be conservation of momentum. Question number 100, and this is the last question. A fuse wire is made up of, answer will be an alloy of tin and lead. Thank you, friends, for listening. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.